Can you believe a YouTube channel uploaded just 16 short videos and gained thousands of subscribers? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's 100% true. The channel is called Little Margot Stories, and it's truly incredible. I have genuine respect for the creator. Not only were the videos short, but there were only 15 of them, and yet the channel took off rapidly. And here's the kicker. The channel is already monetized. Yes, seriously. You can go check it out yourself. The results speak for themselves. Now, I know what you're thinking. How much is this channel earning? Well, let me tell you, thousands of dollars. That's right. And the best part? You can do it too. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a similar AI-powered animated channel completely free. No paid tools, no subscriptions, no hidden fees. All you'll need are free tools and a bit of creativity. Take a screenshot of the type of animated video you want to create. Then come to ChatGPT and simply type, "I want to create this type of animated video. Kindly provide me with 8 prompts using the same character and situation." That's it. No need for complex prompts or fancy language. Just keep it simple and respectful. Hit enter and let the magic happen. ChatGPT will instantly generate 8 consistent and visually creative prompts that match your scene, character, and tone, ready to use with AI image generators or animation tools. This saves you time and ensures visual consistency across your content, especially if you're producing videos in bulk. Now let's talk about Piclumen AI, a game changer for visual creators. It lets you generate HD quality animated images with no watermarks, unlimited usage, and most importantly, a consistent character feature. That means once you design your character, you can reuse it across multiple scenes, expressions, and poses, always matching perfectly. This is ideal for storytelling, explainer videos, YouTube thumbnails, or even branding a series. It's simple to use, delivers cinematic results, and requires zero design skills. Next, visit Yuewen.cn. Don't worry, this part is completely free too. Here's what to do. Use a temporary email from Smailrow, free version. Go to Yuewen.cn and sign up using that temporary email. Verify your email with the code you'll receive in Smailrow. Boom, you're in. Yuewen.cn gives you 300 free credits, enough to make around 10 high-quality animated videos. Just upload your image, type in a simple prompt like "animate this video," choose the resolution and duration, 5 to 10 seconds works great, and hit generate. Each video costs just 30 credits and comes out in smooth HD. Yes, it adds a small logo, but don't worry, I'll show you how to remove it easily. Bonus tip: want more videos? Just repeat the process with a new temp email for more free credits. Now it's time to clean up your videos. Open CapCut, import your animated clips into the timeline, and follow these simple steps. To remove the logo, click the video, go to Edit, and slightly zoom in using the Scale tool. The watermark moves out of frame, easy and clean. Arrange all your clips in sequence. Make sure visuals are properly framed and nothing's cut off. Add smooth transitions like fades, slides, or zooms to enhance the flow. Apply filters or effects like glow, blur, or cinematic styles to boost quality. Use text overlays for added explanation, keep them minimal and well-timed. Add background music from the YouTube audio library, copyright free. Just import, place it below your video timeline, and adjust the volume. Once you're happy with everything, export your video in HD. You've just created a professional-looking animated video using only free AI tools and basic editing. No design skills, no paid software, just smart tools and simple steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy creating.